Okay, goods. Tama. Hindi nyo kailangan ng degree, hindi nyo kailangan ng college diploma para makuha ng kliyente. And the simple reason is because it a college diploma or diploma doesn't really warrant your skills. It just warrants training. I mean, it equates to training. Nag-train kayo sa college. Ganon. But it doesn't mean that you can solve a problem. Okay? Ang binabayaran sa atin is solusyon, hindi diploma. So, kung hindi kayo college graduate, huwag nyo isipin na malabo kayo makakuha ng kliyente because walang discrimination dito sa mundong to when it comes to degrees. Okay? So let's say college dropout kayo or di kayo nakapag-college, right? As long as you are willing and committed to learn a skill and practice it, put in time and effort, pwede kayong makapasok sa industry na to. Okay? I mean, hindi to parang kailangan graduate ka sa kung saan para makapasok. As no one cares, wala maghahanap nun. Even if you look at job listings sa Upwork or sa OLJ, wala kayong makikita doon na, kaya na parang must be ganitong degree holder. Meron minsan, pero napaka-konti. And then again, ako pag nakita ako ng ganun, alam ko na basura yung ganung like job listings. Wala kwenta yon. Kasi they're asking for something that doesn't really matter. Okay, what matters sa online freelancing is you solving problems. That's it. Walang iba doon. If you can solve problems, you can get a client.